Holy shit! By now you've probably heard that there was a pretty big Google API leak. Every single SEO and their mother were tweeting about it. In fact, even my 7-year-old daughter, Brooklyn, brought this up during our bedtime reading. I felt like I was in some sort of weird SEO twilight zone. So what happened? In short, an anonymous source shared thousands of leaked Google API documents that were later confirmed as authentic by ex-Google employees. There are over 14,000 ranking factors offering us SEOs a rare glimpse into Google's exclusive algorithms. Now that we have this information, should you change your entire SEO strategy after the leak? In this video, we'll look at a few of the ranking factors revealed in the leak and identify some actionable strategies to improve your web page on the Google search results in light of this information. For years, Google has operated behind a veil of secrecy, guarding the inner workings of its algorithm like a closely held secret. However, recent leaks have exposed the cracks in this facade, providing unprecedented insights into the mechanics that shape search results. Consider that according to a recent study, the leaked API documentation reveals startling details about Google's rankings factors, including the existence of something called a sandbox that holds back new websites. This revelation contradicts Google's previous claims, challenging the very foundation of SEO strategies built on trust in the search giant's transparency. But the implications of this leak extend far beyond individual rankings. They signal a paradigm shift in how SEO practitioners approach their craft. No longer bound by blind faith in the Google guidance, marketers now have the opportunity to forge their own paths, unearthing new tactics and strategies to outmaneuver their competition. There was a recent case study of an internet marketing firm that has leveraged the insights gleaned from this API leak to develop a cutting-edge SEO solution for their clients. By understanding the nuances of the Google algorithm, they were able to fine-tune their strategies, delivering measurable results and delivering tangible business outcomes. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of the API leak is the sense of empowerment it offers to people like me and you who love this thing called SEO. We can now use these insights to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of search engine optimization. I'm going to share with you the implications of the API leak, unpacking its revelations, and offering practical advice for adapting your SEO strategy in response. From debunking long-standing myths to uncovering hidden ranking factors, we'll leave no stone unturned. For years, Google has always dictated the rules that webmasters and marketers must follow. But even with this dominance, a vital truth has often been overlooked. The SEO community is a vibrant ecosystem fueled by the dedication and expertise of professionals who live and breathe this stuff. While Google's objective revolve around market share, shareholder wealth, and profits, the SEO industry is driven by a deeper commitment in helping businesses thrive in the digital landscape. Yet despite our collective passion and expertise, there has been a long-standing divide between different thought processes around the SEO community. Debates range over relevance of click data, the importance of site authority, and the enduring value of links. But perhaps now is the time to set aside these differences and focus on what truly matters, the core principles of SEO. So now let's look at 5 fundamental truths about an SEO strategy. The first being branded. You see, building an online brand is an important part of your marketing strategy. In an era where trust and credibility are paramount, establishing a strong brand presence is essential for long-term success, and building an online brand stands as a cornerstone principle. In today's landscape, where trust and credibility is supreme, a robust brand presence becomes not just advantageous, but imperative for sustained success. By cultivating a brand identity that resonates with audiences, businesses create lasting connections with its customers. In essence, the era of an anonymous web entity has given a new paradigm where brands become synonymous with authority and trustworthiness. As such, investing in brand development is a very strategic and imperative positioning place that you can put your business in to increase the competitive digital landscape. All right, let's talk about links. Never underestimate the value of links. After all, it's the currency Google uses. Beyond their role in the PageRank algorithms, links remain a critical factor in determining a website's authority and relevance. Links are fundamental to a website's authority and relevance, extending far beyond their role in PageRank algorithms. They serve as a pathway between content, guiding users and search engines to valuable information. In Google's eyes, each link acts as a vote of confidence, indicating the credibility and trustworthiness of a website. High-quality links from reputable sources boost a site's authority, enhancing its standing in the search engine result pages. Next, let's talk about user intent. Understanding user intent is paramount in crafting a successful content strategy that resonates with your audience. In the realm of SEO, where visibility is key, user intent-driven content stands as a cornerstone of effectiveness. By delving deep into the motivation behind users' search queries, you can tailor your offering to precisely meet their needs and desires. User intent goes beyond simple keyword optimization, though. It's about grasping the underlying reasons behind a search. Whether users are seeking information, looking to make a purchase, or seeking entertainment, aligning your content with their intent ensures relevance and engagement. When users find content that directly addresses their needs and fulfills their intent, they are more likely to stay engaged, interact with your website, and then ultimately convert. This alignment not only enhances user experience, but also signals to search engines that the relevance and authority of your content will lead to improved rankings and visibility in search results. By incorporating user intent into your content strategy, you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're optimizing for the people who matter most, and that is your audience. This approach fosters a deeper connection with your target demographic, driving organic traffic and fostering long-term brand loyalty. So never overlook the significance of understanding user intent in shaping your content strategy for impactful SEO outcomes. We need to stick with what we know as SEOs. In the realm of SEO, questioning Google guidance is not merely an option, but a necessity. While Google undoubtedly provides valuable insights, relying solely on their recommendations without critical analysis can lead to missed opportunities and suboptimal outcomes. As an SEO, it's imperative that we approach Google's recommendations with a strategy. Expert opinions to develop holistic strategies that align with our clients' unique needs and objectives are very important. This approach empowers us to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to a dynamic nature of search algorithms and user behavior. Next, let's dive into freshness because it matters. In the dynamic world of SEO, embracing fresh content is not a strategy. It's a necessity for maintaining relevance and staying ahead of your competition in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Continuously refreshing and updating your content serves as a cornerstone of the SEO principles because it drives increased visibility, engagement, and ultimately conversions. Fresh content is more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental principle that aligns with the dynamic nature of search engine algorithms and user preferences. Search engines prioritize content that is current, informative, and valuable to users by rewarding websites that regularly update their content with high rankings and increased organic traffic. Focusing on fresh content is not just about keeping it up, it's about leading the way in delivering valuable, relevant, and timely information to your audience. By prioritizing content freshness as a core component of your SEO strategy, your position for your website is ready to rank high on Google. To unlock the full potential of your SEO efforts, we'll need to follow these 10 actionable steps. 1. Crafting compelling original content that resonates with your audience is the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. By providing valuable and engaging content, you're not just attracting visitors to your website, but you're also encouraging them to stay longer, explore further, and ultimately take desired action. For example, a travel website could publish an in-depth guide to the off-the-beaten-path destinations, featuring stunning photography, personal anecdotes and insider tips. They're going to capture the imagination of the adventure seeker who travel and are inspired to plan their next getaway. Number 2, it's important to prioritize and understand user intent in your content strategy because it's essential for delivering content that meets the needs and expectations of your target audience. By aligning your content with the specific queries and intentions of your users, you increase the likelihood of ranking higher in the search results and attracting qualified traffic to your website. For instance, let's just say there's an e-commerce retailer that specializes in outdoor gear. They could create content that addresses common outdoor questions, such as how to choose the right hiking boots. Providing valuable information that guides the user through their purchasing journey will make it very relevant to somebody that's doing that search. Number 3, actively promoting your content to acquire higher quality backlinks from reputable sources is crucial for improving your website's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. By earning backlinks from authoritative websites in your industry or niche, you signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable, leading to higher rankings and increased visibility. For example, a software company could reach out to tech publications or industry influencers to review their latest product, earning valuable backlinks and generating buzz within their target audience. Number 4, ensuring that your link building efforts are focused on relevance and value rather than sheer quantity is building a strong and sustainable backlink profile. Instead of just building thousands of links, focus on securing links from websites that are relevant to your industry or topic and offer genuine value from their audience. For instance, a healthcare provider could collaborate with a reputable medical organization or university to publish informative articles or studies, which will earn them high-quality backlinks from trusted sources within the healthcare community. Number 5, driving traffic through links by optimizing for engagement and conversion is super essential for maximizing the impact of your SEO efforts. Beyond simply attracting visitors to your website, focus on creating compelling call to actions, intuitive navigational paths, and seamless user experience that encourages visitors to explore further and take desired actions. For example, an online retailer could optimize their product page with clear and persuasive call to actions, user-friendly navigation menus, and seamless checkout process, guiding visitors from discovery to purchasing with minimal friction. Number 6, exploring diverse channels and platforms to expand your audience's reach and diversify your traffic sources is crucial for reducing reliance on any single source of traffic and reaching new audiences beyond traditional search engine results. By leveraging social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and other channels, you can attract visitors from a diverse demographic of interest, driving sustained traffic to your website. For example, a fashion brand could collaborate with a fashion influencer on Instagram to showcase their latest collection, reaching a much broader audience of fashion enthusiasts and driving traffic to their website. Number 7, cultivating a strong brand presence across all digital touchpoints is essential for fostering trust, recognition, and loyalty amongst your target audience. By consistently conveying your brand's values, personality, and unique selling propositions through your website, social media profiles, email communication, and other digital channels, it helps you to differentiate your brand and establish a memorable impression in the minds of your consumers. For instance, a sustainable lifestyle brand could incorporate an eco-friendly messaging with images and design elements across all touchpoints, reinforcing their commitment to sustainability and resonating with environmentally conscious consumers. Number 8, establishing your website as a trusted authority in your niche through consistent, high-quality content and reputable backlinks is a long-term strategy that requires dedication and perseverance. By consistently publishing informative, valuable, and well-researched content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience, you're gradually building trust and credibility with both users and search engines. For example, a financial advisory firm could regularly publish in-depth guides, market analysis, and investment insights, positioning themselves as a reliable source of financial expertise and attracting qualified leads who seek trusted financial advice. Number 9, regularly auditing and updating your content to reflect changes in user behavior and industry trends is essential for maintaining relevance, accuracy, and effectiveness over time. By periodically reviewing your existing content, identifying areas of improvement, and making necessary updates or enhancements, you ensure that your website remains current, informative, and valuable to your audience. Let's just say a technology blog could conduct a regular content audit just to identify outdated articles or topics that no longer resonate with their audience. By refreshing or repurposing them with updated information, new insights will basically make the pages more relevant and appeal to that audience. And finally, number 10, always remember that maintaining unwavering dedication and perseverance of your SEO journey, knowing that success is a marathon, not a sprint, is crucial for achieving sustainable results and overcoming inevitable challenges along the way. SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and continuous learning as search engine algorithms, user behavior, and industry landscapes evolve over time. By staying committed to your SEO strategy, consistently implementing best practices, and monitoring performance metrics, you position yourself for long-term success and ongoing growth in the competitive digital landscape. For example, a startup founder could maintain a positive mindset and resilience in the face of initial setbacks or slow progress, focusing on incremental improvements and staying the course on their SEO journey to eventually achieve their growth objectives. The recent API leak has sparked a significant shift in the SEO landscape, offering newfound opportunities for businesses and marketers to navigate the ever-changing dynamic terrain with confidence and clarity. We're no longer constrained by the mystery of the Google algorithm. The revelations revealed by the API leak has shifted long-standing myths and challenged conventional wisdom, paving the way for a more transparent and equitable digital ecosystem. As SEO professionals, we now have unprecedented access to insights and data that was once shrouded in secrecy, enabling us to craft more informed strategies and drive tangible results for our clients. But this newfound freedom comes with responsibility. A responsibility to leverage these insights ethically and responsibly, prioritizing the needs and interests of users above all else. By embracing the core principles of SEO, from crafting compelling content to prioritizing user intent, we can unlock the full potential of our efforts and achieve sustainable success in the dynamic digital landscape. To me, it was a great reminder that traditional SEO tactics prevail and bring results. And remember, SEO is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this insightful, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn more, be sure to order my new book, Honest SEO.